Hello, Diane Curtis Pryor here again, just sharing a few thoughts with the Sunrise team from Forever Living Products. I just wanted to add something to a video that I made earlier, in which we were talking about that whole difficult area of scientific research that has or hasn't been done on aloe vera, and that's what so many people are looking for. And we talked about the fact that it's due to the problem of aloe being a natural substance, and so it can't be patented, and therefore the money isn't forthcoming. I'm sure we all understand that basically. But what I wanted to add is that although there has been very little scientific research, 1 or 2 clinical studies which have shown some degree of benefit from the aloe, but perhaps they haven't shown as much as we would have liked to see, but that's been mainly because they perhaps haven't been carried out according to the very best protocols for clinical trials. But that's irrelevant really for our purposes. What I wanted to say is that indeed it's true that research on aloe, what I'm talking about is pure research, that is research carried out just for the intellectual sort of appraisal of scientists whose life's work is to understand things, find out more about things, even if there's no obvious end in sight, any result, any end user that they're looking for, and so on. There's been more of that kind of research carried out on aloe vera than any other plant in the world. And we know that there are lots of plants, don't we, that have remedial benefits. That's really a given. There's nobody, not even the most senior person in a drug company, who would like to rubbish any kind of natural products. Nobody can claim that there are no plants that don't have any remedial benefits. And indeed, aloe vera is one that has more than any other, and it's for that reason that more research has been carried out on it. And if you go onto Google, you will see that. Of course, some of it is better than others. If people would like to be pointed towards some research that has a lot of credibility, for example, I would mention Dr. Reginald, I've forgotten his surname, but never mind. Give me a ring, or I'll mention it next time that I speak to you. But there is a lot out there. It has had some really fantastic effects on a large number of conditions. But we have to be very careful how we express that. So we need to talk about that, because we need to be in full compliance with what our head office is asking us to adhere to, because otherwise we could risk losing our business, certainly losing 1 or 2 of our products, and that would be really a dire result, wouldn't it? That's not what we want. But be reassured, there is a lot of pure research out there which totally undergirds all the things that we know to be true about aloe vera. So thank you and goodbye.